Dear children, today we will study about tense. What are tenses? Tense is a category that expresses time reference. The tense of the verb shows the time of an event or action. तो tense जो है बेटा we come to know the time of that action when that event has happened. हमें time पता लगता है कि वो काम कब हुआ था. It comes from old French word tense, which means time. तो ये tense जो word है, it has come from the French word tense, which means time, and from Latin word tempus, which means time. They are usually manifested by the use of specific forms of verbs. Tenses are of three types: present, past, and future. So there are three types of tenses. Today we will read about these three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. So first, present tense. Some sentences are given in your book. Shruti goes to school. Second, Shruti is going to school. Shruti has gone to school. Shruti has been going to school for 4 years. So in all these sentences, we are talking about Shruti going to school. But all the sentences express different forms of the verb go. Go के form है सारे. You can see in the color that is the verb, and all those verbs are the different forms of the verb go. And all the sentences are in present tense. Goes, is going, has gone, has been going. These all are present tense verbs. The first sentence, if you see, Shruti goes to school. So this shows the daily activity, what Shruti does. She does that daily, or it is the habit. So this is called the simple present tense. Those sentences which show everyday habit, activity, what we do every day, those works or our habit, those type of sentences are called the simple present tense. And simple present tense, the verb will be either the same, the base form of the verb go, or s or es we add to the verb. Then the second sentence, Shruti is going to school. So in this sentence, this activity, it is going on, it is continuing. Okay, so this type of sentence which shows an activity that is going on, that is in progress. It shows that Shruti is going to school, the activity is in progress, it is going on, but it has not over, it is not complete. Shruti has not reached to school. So this sentence, it is called the present continuous tense. This sentence is in present continuous tense. That means it is going on. This activity is going on. It is not over. And in this we use either is, am, are along with the ing form of the verb. Then come to the third type of sentence. Shruti has gone to school. So this sentence expresses an action that is over. Shruti has gone to school. Already the action is over, but its effect is still there. उसका असर अभी भी है. So this sentence, it is said to be in the present perfect tense बोलते हैं इसको. That is, we are sure Shruti has gone to school. Present perfect tense. And present perfect tense, we use the third form of the verb along with the past participle, either has or have. Then come to the fourth sentence. Shruti has been going to school for 4 years. So this sentence, it shows an action that started earlier, but it is continuing in the present. तो जो एक्शन पहले स्टार्ट हो चुका है लेकिन वो अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग इन द प्रेजेंट. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज सेड टू बी इन द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कैसे यूज करते हैं बेटा? हाउ टू राइट, दैट इज हाउ यू कम टू नो. इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हैज और हैव के साथ been लगाते हैं. Okay, has been or have been, and the ing form of the verb. So this is the present perfect continuous tense. So here some points are given. Remember, the present tense takes main verb in simple. So the present tense, it mainly takes the main verb. Either it can be like go, sing, play. So it takes the main verb in just simple. Either it will be the same or ses you can add. Then it takes be auxiliary and ing form of the main verb in continuous. So be auxiliary, that is, am or are, and the ing form of the main verb like going, singing, dancing. Okay, is dancing, is going, is singing, is reading, or am singing, are singing. Okay, such type of verbs we use. Be auxiliary, that is, am, are, and the ing form of the main verb, that is present continuous tense. Then it takes auxiliary has, have, and the third form of the main verb in perfect. So here in this present perfect tense we use has or have and the third form of the main verb. Then it takes have been or has been form auxiliary and ing form of the main verb in perfect continuous tense. So if it is the present perfect continuous tense, here we use have been or has been and the ing form of the main verb. Now let us do this exercise I. Here you have to fill in the blanks with the correct tenses of the verb given in the brackets. The verb is given in the bracket and you have to use the correct tense of the verb. So here you have to use simple present tense or present continuous tense. So simple present tense, either it will be the same or you have to just add s or es or ing. And the present continuous tense you have to just add either is, am, are and the ing form of the verb. First one, what are you dash about the new project? So think. So here I have to use thinking. What are you thinking about the new project? She dash in Mumbai for 4 years, but she knows only a few people. She is living in Mumbai. Every day my father dash newspapers for 2 hours, reads. Every day my father reads. Right now I am. So यहाँ पर am is there. So you have to use the third form of the verb that, no sorry, you have to just add ing. Okay. Right now I am writing 3 books. The baby dash because it is hungry now. The baby is crying. The smell of the meat excites the dog. The smell of the meat is exciting the dog. Have you started taking guitar lessons? Then come to next number 8. Most often your phone dash when you are watching an interesting program. So most often your phone rings when you are watching an interesting program. Hurry up please, it is raining. Ria dash me to the theater last night. बेटा here जो है ये past tense में दे दिया है. This sentence you have to just, you can correct it. Last night की जगह make it today night because we have to write it in the present tense. So instead of last you just strike it off last and use there today night. So it will be the Ria is taking me to the theater today night. Are you dash something new these days? Are you writing something new these days? The electrician officer dash preparing the project. The electrician officer dash the report. The electrician officer is preparing the report. The engineers dash that this bridge may collapse any moment. The engineers are predicting that this bridge may collapse any moment. The water level in the Ganga dash fast is rising fast. He dash me since morning. He is following me since morning. Now come to exercise J. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of the verb. So present continuous tense you have to use is, am, are and the ing form of the main verb. The first one. The wind dash very hard. The wind is blowing very hard. Rahul is out in the park dash with his sister. Rahul is out in the park walking with his sister. तो यहाँ पर is जो है पहले ही दिया हुआ है राहुल के बाद is. So you will not add again another is walking. So we will write just only walking here. Jaya and Rohit dash for their lost water bottles. So here there are two. Jaya and Rohit are two persons. So we will not use is or am. We will use here are. Jaya and Rohit are searching for their water bottles. Shaurya dash letter to his mother. So here Shaurya is one person. So we will use is. Is writing. Shaurya is writing letter to his mother. The baby, again it is singular one. So we will use is. The baby is sleeping in its cradle. Mother dash for her kids. Here mother is also a singular, so we will use is. Mother is cooking for her kids. Next, have you started dash music classes? So here have you started taking music classes? Already have is given in the beginning, so we will not use against another helping verb. We will not take another helping verb, just we will write the ing form of the main verb. Have you started taking music classes? The baby dash because it is hungry now. So we will take is. The baby is crying because it is hungry now. The cricket team dash for tomorrow's match again against Australia. So cricket team is singular. So we will take is practicing. The cricket team is practicing for tomorrow's match against Australia. Then come to the past tense. Past tense means जो काम हो चुका है, खत्म हो चुका है in the past. Now look at these sentences. Some examples are given here. अंकित wrote a letter yesterday. तो अंकित ने जो है लेटर वो लिख चुका है कल. वो एक काम खत्म हो चुका है कल. Yesterday he has already completed. अंकित was writing a letter. तो वो पास्ट में वो काम कर रहा था. अंकित was writing a letter. जब किसी ने देखा था उसको ला पास्ट में तो वो he was doing that work. Ankit had written a letter. Ankit had been writing a long letter since morning. So here you see the sentences. All they show an action that has happened in the past. जो past में काम हो चुका है. Okay. Then the first sentence if you see, it shows that writing of the letter was done sometime in the past. The writing of the letter was done yesterday. So these type of sentences in which we use the second form of the verb, that is called simple past tense. Then the second sentence, if you see, Ankit was writing a letter. So the second sentence shows that the action was in progress when somebody saw it last. जब किसी ने देखा था अंकित को तो वो लेटर लिख रहा था. So these type of sentences जिसमें was आ गया है या were आ गया है and the ing form of the verb. So that is called past continuous tense. Past में वो काम चल रहा था. That is past continuous tense. Then Ankit had written a letter. The third one is Ankit had written a letter. So this shows that that action it is complete. Okay, it shows the completion of an action in the past. मतलब वो action complete हो चुका है past में. So such sentences are said to be in the past perfect tense. So this is the past perfect tense it is called when the action has already completed in the past. Ankit had written a letter. Then come to the next sentence, the fourth sentence. Ankit had been writing a long letter since morning. मतलब अंकित सुबह से letter लिख रहा था. Okay. So such type of sentences it shows the continuance of an action in the past. जो है past में वो action continue हो रहा था. The action started at a specific time but was in progress and the speaker is not sure when it might have been completed. तो ये action जो है start तो हो गया था पहले ही और वो चल रहा था बट जो स्पीकर है जो बोल रहा है वो श्योर नहीं है कि वो काम अभी खत्म हो चुका है. ओके सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज यूज्ड हैड बीन राइटिंग. वो लिख रहा था. ओके अब ये नहीं पता कि वो लिख रहा था वो काम खत्म हो चुका है या नहीं. So such type of sentences are called past perfect continuous tense we call. Okay, such a sentence it is in past perfect continuous tense. So now look at this sentence. The patient had died before the doctor came. तो यहाँ पर दो action है. Patient मर की death हो चुकी है. Had died. And before the doctor came. So in such cases, the first action is in the past perfect में है. Had died. That is past perfect. While the second one जो है doctor came. This is simple past tense. This is in simple past tense. Okay. So now some points are given. The simple past takes the second form of the verb, that is wrote, sing, ate, etc. So we use here the second form of the verbs. The past continuous takes auxiliary was or were. तो past continuous में हम was या were plus the ing form of the main verb like was writing, were singing. Past perfect में had के साथ third form of the main verb. Okay, we use takes had and the third form of the main verb such as had gone, had returned, etc. So we use had, past tense का had, and then for perfect tense we use the third form of the main verb. Then the past perfect continuous takes had been. इसमें हम had been के साथ ing form of the main verb use करते हैं like had been writing, had been singing. So these are all past perfect continuous tense. Now here there is an exercise. You have to use only the simple past tense of the verbs given in the bracket. So either you have to use the second form of the verb. Okay. Like last night a stranger came to my house. Stranger means अनजान व्यक्ति जिसको आप जानते नहीं हैं. He dash torn dress. तो wear जो है that is the first form of the verb. Second form you have to use here wore. He wore torn dress मतलब फटे हुए कपड़े थे उसके. And dash in a low tone. Speak, spoke, spoken. So you will use the second form spoke. In a low tone. He dash hungry for days. So he यहाँ पर हमें ed लगाना है. Okay. He seemed. Seemed. So we will use the second form seemed. He seemed hungry for days. I dash every corner of my kitchen. So search का second form is searched. So I searched every corner of my kitchen. Suddenly my eyes fall का second form is fell. So we'll use suddenly my eyes fell on two loaves of bread. Two pieces of bread रखे हुए थे kitchen में, which I could not eat last night. I dash it could make him angry. So fear का second form feared. So उसको डर he was afraid. उसको लग रहा था कि शायद वो दो ब्रेड के पीस जो रात के रखे हुए थे वो देख के शायद वो स्ट्रेंजर गुस्सा ना हो जाए है ना. So I feared it could make him angry. But he dashed it gladly. Accept second form is accepted. So but he accepted it gladly मतलब happily. उसने वो happily accept कर लिए two pieces of bread. I also dash him a glass of milk. So give का second form gave. Give, gave, given. So हमने second form use करना है gave. I also gave him a glass of milk. Soon there was a shine in his eyes. तुरंत उसकी आंखों में कुछ चमक आ गई थी. He dashed me. Hug का second form. Hug मतलब गले मिलना. He hugged me. Okay, second form में we will use hug. He hugged me and dash that I should not be sorry. And say का second form है said. Say, said. So we will use second form SAID said. And said that I should not be sorry. तो उसने उसको गले लगा लिया और बोला कि I need not feel sorry. He later dashed that humanity still dash. So again we will use the second form of say said. He later said that humanity मतलब इंसानियत still survived. Second form is survived. Those who said people have no time to listen to others' sorrow were wrong. So जो लोग कहते हैं कि आजकल किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है दूसरों के दुख दर्द शेयर करने का, so those people are wrong. People who dash men in need served God indeed. So serve का second form served. So people who served men in need served God indeed. So जो लोग इंसानों की सेवा करते हैं वो एक तरह से भगवान की सेवा कर रहे हैं. Now come to exercise L. Choose the correct tense forms, simple past or past continuous. So you have to use either the simple past, that means the second form of the verb, or past continuous, that is you have to use was, were and the ing form of the main verb that is given in the bracket. First one, she dashed in London for a long time. So second form you will use here. She lived in London for a long time. I dashed there too. So I was living there too. When the teacher dash enter the room. So enter you will use the second form entered here. When the teacher entered the room, he dashed the boys playing. He see का second form is so okay here we will use he was seeing the boys playing. Perhaps they dash each other's company. Perhaps they use किया है, so we will use here were. they जो है plural है, was singular के साथ use होता है and were with plural, so we will use here were. Perhaps they were enjoying each other's company. Next, he always dash me at night. So he always ring का second form rang. He always rang me at night. Were you dash to the market when I dash you last evening? So go we will use here were you going, क्योंकि यहाँ पर were already पहले ही use कर लिया गया है past participle, so we will not use again. Okay, sorry, helping verb were is already used in the beginning of the sentence, so we will just use here the ing form of the verb. Were you going to the market when I meet का second form met you last evening. So I dash from the library. So no, I dash from the library. So no, I was returning. I के साथ was लगता है. No, I was returning from the library. Fifth, when I dash a boy, we dash a large house by the sea. So be का form use करना है. So it will be was. Okay, when I was a boy, we have ka past tense had, second form of have had. When I was a boy, we had a large house by the sea. Sixth one, the thieves dash when they saw the police van. So we will use here the second form of the verb flee. Flee मतलब भाग जाना. पुलिस को देखते ही चोर जो है भाग गए. So the second form of flee, fled. FLED. The thieves fled when they saw the police van. Next, dash go to Agra to see the Taj on a moonlit night. So here this is a question mark is given. This is a question. So we will use a second form of the verb do, did. Did और यहाँ पर you नहीं लगा हुआ है बेटा, आपको जो है go से पहले you लगा देना है. Okay. Did you go to Agra to see the Taj on a moonlit night? Mr. Sharma never dash anyone to his house. So here we will use the second form of the verb invite, invited. Mr. Sharma never invited anyone to his house. 9. Though she dash hard, she dash. So we will use the second form of the verb work, worked. Though she worked hard, she failed. Second form of the verb fail, failed. 10th. Who dash you to bring these rotten mangoes at such a high price? Rotten मतलब सड़े हुए, गले हुए mangoes. Who dash you? So we will use the second form of the verb tell, told. Who told you to bring these rotten mangoes at such a high price? Number 11. Julius Caesar dash a Roman general. So we will use the past form of the verb be. So it will be either was या were. But we have to use the Julius Caesar is a singular, one person. So we will use here was. Julius Caesar was a Roman general. Next, Ravi Pandit dash cricket for India more than a decade. Decade means 10 years. So Ravi Pandit, we will use the second form of the verb play, played. Ravi Pandit played cricket for India for more than a decade. 13. What were you dash for? सो वॉट वर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन बेटा, तो आपको खाली ing फॉर्म यूज करना है ऑफ द वर्ब क्राई, क्राइंग. सो वॉट वर यू क्राइंग फॉर. नेक्स्ट, last year I dash my friend. So we will use here the second form of the verb meet, met. Last year I met my friend while I dash by the Gomti Express. So while I, we will use here was traveling. While I was traveling by the Gomti Express. The thieves. Now you see here thieves is plural, more than one. So we will use here were. The thieves were trying to break open the safe. Safe मतलब कोई घर में तिजोरी रखी हुई है, जैसे उसको तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे वो लोग, खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे तोड़ के. The thieves were trying to break open the safe when the police dashed them, nabbed them. Nab का second form nabbed, Nabbed. So nabbed them, तो तभी उनको पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया. Now come to future tense, that is जो काम होने वाला है future में, that is called future tense. So let us read some sentences are given. When will the train leave for Kolkata? So here ये पूछ रहा है क्वेश्चन कि कोलकाता के लिए ट्रेन कब जाएगी. It will be leaving shortly. It will have left the station before your friend comes. It will have been leaving for Kolkata for years. So now we will understand this meaning of each sentence. All these above sentences, they show some action that is to take place in future. तो ये सारे sentence हमें बता रहे हैं कोई action के बारे में जो future में होने वाला है. So all these sentences are in the future tense. So first sentence, when will the train leave for Kolkata? So future tense में हम will use करते हैं. Okay. So the first sentence expresses a future action and it also indicates the usual action of future. तो ये जो है usual जो है normal action है of the future. So such sentences are said to be in the simple future tense. Then second one, it will be leaving shortly. So यहाँ पर जो है it shows an action of the future in progress. जो future में action जो है होने वाला है और जो चल रहा है, ing form यूज किया गया है verb का इसमें. So future में जो action है that is in progress. So these type of sentences are said to be in future continuous tense. Then the third sentence, it will have left the station before your friend comes. So the second, this sentence, okay, third sentence, it is showing like prediction. Okay, ये बता रहा है कि future में जो काम जो पहले से बता रहे हैं कि ऐसा होगा. So predict कर रहे हैं the completion of an action in future. तो वो ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि ये काम future में complete हो जाएगा, वो station छोड़ देगी before your friend comes. तो तुम्हारे friend के आने से पहले ही train जो है station से चली जाएगी. So ये ऐसा prediction करे. Predict मतलब पहले से बताना जो काम future में होने वाला है. So these type of sentences जिसमें कि will और have use होता है, will have use होता है इनमें. Okay, so these type of sentences are said to be in the future perfect tense. Okay, then come to the last sentence, it will have been leaving for Kolkata for years. Now come to the last sentence, it will have been leaving for Kolkata for years. So in the fourth sentence, in the last sentence, it shows the continuation of an action which will be in progress in future but not complete. तो ये जो है एक्शन जो है इट विल हैव बीन लिविंग फॉर कोलकाता फॉर ईयर्स। तो यहाँ पर जो है ये एक्शन जो है कंटिन्यू तो हो रहा है बट इट विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस इन फ्यूचर बट नॉट कंप्लीट, लेकिन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, वो फ्यूचर में चल रहा है वो काम, ऐसा बोला गया। सो सच सेंटेंसेस आर सेड टू बी इन द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस tense. So some points are given that let us read these points. Simple future takes the modal auxiliary either shall or will and the first form of the verb. So future tense में we use the first form of the verb with shall or will. Mostly हम will का ही use करते हैं ज़्यादातर। Future continuous takes the modal auxiliary and be plus the ing form of the main verb such as will be going, shall be going, will be leaving. Okay, so we use modal auxiliary shall, will और be के साथ and the ing form of the verb. Then future perfect takes shall, will और उसके साथ have लगता है and the third form of the main verb. Okay, shall plus will, shall और will के साथ have. Okay, will have, shall have. Okay, and the third form of the main verb. And future perfect continuous tense takes shall have, will have plus been लगता है इसमें. Okay, with ing form of the main verb. So shall have or will have been and the ing form of the main verb. Yeah, shall have been, will have been plus ing form of the main verb. So children, that's all for today. Thank you.